The verdant welcome of the trees seems to remove all your exhaustion. As soon as you step foot on Jaboi volcano, the heat of the sulfur crater, the lush woods, and the distant blue ocean provide an unrivaled sense of peace and harmony. Put your daring energy on 4 wheels if nature still doesn't please you. But Jaboi is more than just a mountain. Jaboi is hospitality. Jaboi is creativity. Jaboi is history. And Jaboi is culture. Welcome to Jaboi Village, where the heat of the volcano collides with the cold of the sea, shapes the warmth of the people ready to embrace you with open arms.